Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start with quick safety checks to prevent motion when you power up the Kia Niro Hybrid. Confirm the parking brake is engaged and the gear selector is in P. Ensure the key fob is within 3 feet of the vehicle before starting so the system recognizes it. Fasten your seatbelt and place your foot on the brake pedal before pressing start. Visually scan gauges, mirrors, and surroundings. Keep cabin vents clear and doors closed so systems initialize without interruptions. With checks complete, power the Niro's hybrid system using a controlled sequence. Press and hold the brake, then press the start button once to power the vehicle. Hybrids may be silent at idle. Wait until the ready light appears on the dash because that confirms the electric drive system is active. Only then shift to D if you plan to move forward. Shift to R for reverse. After selecting the appropriate gear, release the parking brake and gradually lift your foot off the brake to begin moving. Address cold starts and common startup issues so you aren't stranded. If the vehicle fails to show ready, check the 12V battery because levels below 12. 4V can prevent startup even when the hybrid battery is charged. In cold, weather allows systems to initialize for about 10 seconds after pressing start so heaters and electronics stabilize. If warning lights blink or the car will not engage ready after these steps, pull to a safe spot. Use hazard lights and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.